The popularity of subscription boxes is still going strong. There is one for just about anything you can think of, and there are loads for crafters. So when the folks at Softflex asked if I wanted to check out their newest mystery design kit subscription box, of course I said yes. This is the one for September 2019. It's called Golden Gate. I'll show you what's inside and also what I made with it. Hi there, Sandy here. Welcome to another Friday Findings video at KeepsakeCrafts.net. So this is the Mystery Design Kit by Softflex Company for September 2019, and it's called Golden Gate. They all have a theme, which is nice. I mean, some are just a random assortment of things, and some have a theme. I love that it's wrapped up pretty with some baker's twine, save that, and some pretty tissue paper and a nice sticker. You know you paid for these things, but it's kind of nice when you get them and it seems like it's a gift that you got for yourself. So let's see what we have in here. Now this kit, at the time that you'll be watching this video, is sold out. However, their new kit for October is called the Great Pumpkin Design Kit, and that will be available, and I will have links down below and also at my blog post. Now that's a really cute assortment. I love those little tassels. Those are adorable. Is that a little leather tassel? All right, I won't rip into that quite yet. In the mystery design kits, you get everything you need to bead except for the tools. You get bead, wire, crimps, findings, and more. And indeed, there's some beading wire here. That's a pretty color, kind of different, and definitely in the fall theme. These are some pretty cool beads. Are these the 2-hole? No, they're 1-hole. But these are kind of fun. We've got some drops, some pearls. I love these matte check fire polish beads. And those are really pretty. A pink, which is kind of nice to go with the fall colors. These look like quartz roundels. Oh, those are pretty. The teardrops. Got some bugle beads and some, those look like those 11-0, 10-0 seed beads. And also some ear wires, a clasp, and crimps. So definitely everything you need to put together a few pieces of jewelry. All right, I have to tear into this and just see what's in it because some of these are intriguing. This is Jesse James. I've seen these Jesse James beads at Joann's. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, those are adorable. They're like little flowers, but they're tassels. And I thought they were leather, but they're like a sheer fabric. Absolutely charming. And these, I recognize these Jesse James beads. Oh, and a really pretty toggle clasp. What kind of a hook clasp? Sort of a toggle, sort of a hook. Very nice. So all in the coppery fall shades. These darling tassels that I mentioned before. So right away, because all the colors really go, we've got these kind of caramel colors and the pinky and the smoky greens. You immediately can get right to designing because the colors really all just go well together. Now how is that strung? I'm looking at like putting these together for a pair of really cute earrings. Those. Oh, there we go. Or these. So maybe a pearl. Oh, a pearl up there. So I've already got a pair of earrings designed, and then you can just start playing and putting things together. So while I'm playing, just to tell you a little bit more about these kits, they are $32.95 retail, and of course you can see that you get enough in here to make a few jewelry projects right out of the package. They have a Facebook group where they do the unboxing once a month, and then you can also see what other people are making with them. They also have a YouTube channel where they show a lot of really nice beading projects. And I'll have all of those links down below. So I just spent a few minutes sorting because I had to. It's just how my brain works. Here on this tray are the contents of the Jesse James bag, the assortment that came. Bead materials may include clay, glass, ceramic, acrylic, fiber, and lead-free nickel materials. So there's some really cute things in this assortment. The aforementioned tassels that I immediately fell in love with. These are so pretty, but I realized that they are top drilled, so it would be a little trickier to use them with the tassels than I had originally thought. I'll have to think about that. I love these rose gold sparkle spacers. I think I must do something with them. So there's some pinks and some amber colors, some really cute copper components, these little spacers with the wings, and these square spacers, which are nice because you can get some texture when you add these into something. These little he-she pieces, some 4mm crystals, cubes. This is everything else that came in the Golden Gate kit, just to have it all laid out. Like I said, this is how my brain works. I need to see it this way. So I went off and took a little bit of time to play, and this is what I came up with. Two pairs of earrings, a bracelet, and a necklace. And the only things I used that weren't in the kit were, for the earrings, I used eye pins to string the beads onto. For the bracelet, I used a head pin to make a little dangle with the rest of the quartz crystals. And for the necklace, I used a piece of wire to make the focal. Otherwise, everything was in the kit that you see here. This was a fun challenge for me. These aren't really colors that I use often, that I gravitate towards. So it was fun to pull out things just in the kit that were pleasing to me. And I'm really happy with what I came up with here. I think these are my favorite. I love these rose gold sparkly spacers, and these fluffy tassels somehow make me happy. I added a seed bead to the ear wires on these ones. If you use these little tassels, just take an awl to kind of open up the hole, and then they'll go very easily onto a loop. I used all of those faceted pink roundels, and again there's the rose gold spacers, so I'm really happy with those. And this one doesn't really say fall at all. It's pink and copper. It could easily be for spring. Oh, and I have to mention these crimps. These crimps, you know, in preparation for making this video, I went to the Soft Flex YouTube channel and watched a couple of their videos, including one where Kristen mentions that our crimps are awesome. And I was like, yeah, a crimp's a crimp. And then I sat down and worked with them, and she's right. These crimps are awesome. So this is what I made from the kit, and this is what I have left over. Plenty for, with adding findings, to make probably several more pieces. These are the crimps, and they really are wonderful. They are very thick. I don't think I've ever seen crimps as thick, the walls as thick as these. They are seamless, and they crimp beautifully. They have a special tool that it's called the Magic Crimper that you can use and make these ends rounded. They look like a little bead. I didn't have that, but I was able to make pretty nice looking crimps just with the crimping tool. These were a little tough for my one-step crimper to handle, but they worked beautifully just with a crimping tool. So I'll leave all the links below to the Soft Flex website and their channel, and where you can get the mystery design kit boxes for yourself. Thanks again to them for sending this kit along to me. I really enjoyed getting to know their products a little bit better.